Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to apply Kajal in different ways, and also for this video I'll be using Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Every look is going to be the addition to the previous look. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Firstly, you should know that you don't have to open it too long nor too short. It should be exactly this much. Now I'm gonna place it inside my inner corner, close my eyes and drag it like this. You have to do exactly this way for 2 to 3 times. I'm doing it this way because my eyes are so sensitive, so if I stretch my eyes and do the same, it will become watery. And you can see it's done. This is our first look. Now for the second look, I'm going to make a line on my upper lash line like this. We're going to make an outline first and then we're going to fill in. So I'm done with the outline like this. It's almost done. Yeah, and now I'm gonna drag it along the corner, and we're done with the outline now. We'll just fill it in. This is our second look. Now for the third one, from the outer V, we're gonna drag it towards the inner V like this. And we're not gonna make it too dark. We're gonna keep it light. You can see the result. Moving towards the fourth look, for this, from the inner V on the upper lash line, we're going to drag it, and similarly on the lower lash line also. Inner V to the outer V, and we're going to make it a little bit darker. This will give us our fourth look. And yes, that's it. I'm making it a little bit more darker on the outer V, and I think it's done. For this one, we're going to make a wing, but it's going to be very small like this. I'm going to join it to both the sides, and I think we're done. Yes, it's done now. This is our fifth look. So now for the sixth look, we're going to make it more thicker on the upper lash line like this. We just have to drag it 2-3 times towards the outer corner. And now again, from the inner V to the outer V, just drag it smoothly and end it with a wing like this. You're gonna drag it smoothly and get a perfect wing. Now just draw a thin line from the end of our eyebrow to our wing. This gives us a thin and long wing. Now we are going to make it thick for our next look like this. Just drag it along, and that's it. Now just making it a little bit thicker on the upper lash line and joining it towards the wing. You can also drag it from the outer corner of our eye, from the wing to the inner corner like this, and that's it. Now for the last look, I'm going to do it this way. In the inner corner, we're going to drag it very little like this and just join it with the lower lash line. I'm going to make it a little bit darker inside, and this is done. This is our last look. This is basically an eyeliner look but can be made through Kajal, as I've already shown. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such video. Thank you.